Hello, Jason Wallingford here with Trophy Properties and Auction. Today I'm standing here in front of a Kubota M6060. We're going to be selling an internet-only auction. This tractor has 369 hours on it, and the bidding will end September 4th. Complete details can be found at trophypa.com. Again, that's www.trophypa.com. Thanks a lot. The bidding here will be for the tractor only. The box blade and the quick hitch sell separately.